Alright guys, starting up life vlog number 9 right here, right now. Got the dad bod apparel hat on, leather flag on there. Your boy is doing it up right. I don't wear flat bills, guys, so this is something new for me. I did in high school and then I quit for a long time. But you know what? Something new, guys. If you like this look on me, give this video a thumbs up. If not, I'll know that I just probably shouldn't buy any more flat bills, right? But, so just moments ago, I unboxed this and gave my wife the t-shirt I bought her from the same company. So let me know, is it weird that I'm starting life vlog number 9 like moments after ending life vlog 8, guys? I have to start 9 now, guys, because, and only because, life vlog 8 is like 2 to 3 parts, guys. It's so much I had to pack in there. I had to split it up. So this is fresh, life vlog 9, back at home. I have a few days off before heading back to work, and we're about to go get some lunch. Go pick up some chicken from Zaxby's. Darby and Lucas went to go see her parents since we're back in the state of Georgia. She went to go visit them and let Lucas hang out with his grandparents for a little bit. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, come back, and my goals for today, get the rest of life vlog 8 edited and put it on a schedule so that I can get it out to you guys as soon as possible. And just to kind of hang out, guys, just kind of veg out at home. It's my first day of vacation, spending it at home. I got a little bit of time to myself. To the beach, we got some sun, we're back home, and now it's just time to do whatever we want to do with the free time that we have left. So I would love to go fishing, but not today. We might play some video games. We might, I don't know, we might cook something crazy for dinner. But let's focus on lunch first, and I'm gonna try to bring you along with pretty much everything going on today. I'm excited to be back in the state of Georgia. I do miss Florida, but it's always good to come back because, you know, just like Dorothy said, guys, there's no place like home. Hey, just asking for a friend, but you think it's time to maybe cut their grass? Is it tall? Is the grass too tall? I don't know. We'll have to see if the grass is too tall. We'll bring a ruler out here and see. Jalapeno business. Guys, it's so hot in this car, it just got really steamy in here. Holy moly. Whew, it feels like a sauna. A sauna. I'm not kidding, guys. It's freaking, it's really hot in this truck right now. And I'm just really trying to get it cool. Oh my gosh, for real, dude? For real? You come back from Florida and it's hot here? What? And just like that, guys, we made it back home again, and we secured the food, dude. Woo! All right, so a little life hack here, guys. If you're confused on what you want to do for lunch and dinner, and maybe you just don't have any groceries at the house, guess what you can do? Super duper easy, guys. You can go to Zaxby's Chicken. Boom. 20 chicken tenders, guys. Enough for the whole family, enough for 2 meals. So, why don't you just do that? You can make a bunch of different things with this. You could chop it up and put it with some pasta if you wanted to. You can make a sandwich. You could eat it just with sauce. You can chop it up in a salad. If you ever need it, they got you. Chicken bomb, dude. We need some carrots. Yummy. Uh-oh. We're making messes. Yummy. You've had better? I don't know, your favorite's pears, huh? Yeah. Guys, this baby loves to eat pears. He loves pears. Apples are pretty good. He really likes, what did we try for the first time the other day? Peas. He really likes peas. Peas and pears, guys. Mmm. Is that good? Oh yeah. My baby eats in style, man. Carrots and a crazy fish hat. Yeah. You want this? Yeah. Guys, the bottle is what he really wants right now. I mean, check it out. Baby food, the real food, not the formula. It's a work in progress and we're getting there. Alright guys. All together. Just kidding. I love you guys. Peeps. Alright, so it's like 5:07 p.m. Darby and Lucas are over there taking a nap. So I am sitting down for what is hopefully the final edit of Life Vlog 8, Part 2, possibly Part 3. I don't know yet. If it's Part 3, then it's not the final edit. But we'll see. So wherever you live, have a front and a backdrop. Pretty cool. So, yeah. Got my monster. Got everything right here that I need to try to get this done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some editing, and then I'll try to get back with you in a little bit. We'll see what we got going on, because I honestly don't know, man. I have like 100% freedom right now, so literally anything could happen. We could drive to Duluth, Georgia for some reason. I have absolutely no reason to go there, so we're not going to do that. But I could if I wanted to, so keep that in mind. Guys, I got an update on editing Life Vlog 8. I had to split it into multiple parts. I'm actually gonna have to probably split it into 4 parts, guys, and I know that sounds crazy, but unless you want to sit here and watch 1-hour videos over and over, I have to split it up to make it somewhat appealing to click on, so you're not like, oh, I'm gonna waste my whole day and watch this YouTube video. I mean, there's great content here, guys, but I'm trying to help you out so you can take just a break. You can watch it on your lunch break, or at night off, or right before you go to bed, first thing when you wake up, something like that. It's a little bit cut down, like it's right around 20 minutes is where I'm trying to leave these guys. There's so much footage from vacation. All right, guys, so happy 4th of July. We're gonna come out here. We're having turkey burgers today. So I gotta get the grill all set up, ready to go. And this catch pan back up in here. All right, so get this cleaned out, go get the charcoal ready to go, guys, and then we'll be having some turkey burgers and hanging out here at the house today. So that's it, man. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day, and I hope that everyone out there enjoyed their 4th of July, and you know, God bless America. All right, guys, got my utensils here. We got the plate to put the burgers on when they're cooked. We got the Jennie-O seasoned turkey burgers. We're just going with frozen turkey burgers this year, guys. Nothing fancy. And the instant light charcoal. We can make this thing a quick process. And guys, I really tried my best today to don myself in the red, white, and blue. So I don't know if I did a good job. Got a little bit of red. You know, like red, white, and navy blue up here. Right here on the emblem. And I'm rocking the blue, white, and blue Under Armour slides, guys. So we did it up right, or at least we tried to, because we're representing America, home of the free, baby, and also home of the 65% less fat, all natural ground turkey burgers. Jennie-O. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Let's get this grill grate on there. All right, guys, and when the coals turn white, when they're all ashed over, we're gonna put the burgers on. But while we're waiting on the coals to ash over, let's go ahead and go get our other ingredients ready. You know, lettuce, tomato, onion, get the condiments on the table. Potato chips. Potato. Guys, it's a hot one out here. Had to put the sun hat on because it's a very, very pretty day. Beautiful 4th of July, just hot. So, do you prefer it to be hot and beautiful, or like cool and storming? Exactly. Alright guys, last day before I gotta go back to work from vacation. So I decided to treat myself with some pizza. And Papa John's has this new thing right now. It's called the Shack pizza or something. I don't know. It looks pretty cool. It's extra large. Everyone loves pizza. Pizza loves everyone. Shaquille O'Neal, baby. Right there. So let's break this quality seal for freshness. It's supposed to be bigger pizza with more, a little bit thinner dough and more pepperoni, guys. Check it out. That looks good. And then upon my wife's request, we got a Super Hawaiian too, because she loves pineapple on pizza. Do you like pineapple on pizza? If so, let me know. Comment down below. We just ate some chicken tenders, and this mango habanero was not even spicy, dude. That's all I'm gonna be able to show of that guy, so you just have to best guess at who it could be. But we're about to leave the store, so or the restaurant. This is a restaurant, so peace. I feel obligated to drink my refill, guys, so I have to do it.
Kevin, that was mine.
You know, that's where they go. You know, that's where they get. You know, that's where they get. You know, don't videotape me.
Hey, what did
S-T-O-O-P. There's back at the place it all started. Mad Hatter's gourmet popcorn.
Gourmet popcorn.
Candy.
Candy.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Please add payment for your selection.
Baywatch by Oasis. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what does that mean? Dude, is this a robot? Oh, dude, it's about to, oh my gosh. Ah, was that a predator? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look, they're looking at us. It's moving the truck. Oh, dude! It's a robot! Oh! What's happening? Oh, God! Oh! It's getting closer! Oh! Never been in one of these before! Oh! Covers in the car wash? Ah! Gosh! Oh no! I think it's over. What an experience. Everyone should go to the car wash.